Under the theme, Autism Understanding Beyond Difference, the First Autism Conference began yesterday. This Gulf Conference will bring light to children with autism and related health disorders in Oman. Acting as a platform for integration between different regional and local stakeholders, this integrative multidisciplinary conference have targeted parents, educators and healthcare professionals.
Today it was a really big success as we received around 2,000 delegates who registered for this conference. We finished and we learned from around 22 lectures and workshops, and we're going to inshallah continue for the next 2 days. Honestly, we had a very positive and a very good impression from most of the delegates about the information that were discussed, which actually it seems to have tackled many issues that the parents used to worry about and ask. The autism spectrum disorder is one of the now commonest neurodevelopmental disorders in the world, and it is considered as one of the global health crisis due to the increasing prevalence of this disorder worldwide, which is reaching around 1%.
It's worth mentioning that globally 1 in 160 children has an autism spectrum disorder ASD, according to the World Health Organization WHO report. In the Gulf region, significant steps in terms of identifying children with ASD and extending the different aspects of support for them has already been taken, but there is so much more that needs to be addressed. Therefore, community involvement from trainers, educators, health professionals, family members to policymakers in the early diagnosis and treatment of children under this spectrum is of great importance.
The conference provides a great opportunity to exchange the latest research practices when it comes to autism. As you know, it's very important to highlight the need to have early intervention and actually early detection and identification of those cases to be able to address challenges that the families face and constraints as well. From the UN side, we are, of course, the legal framework is very important. There are a number of international legal instruments and agreements that Oman and other GCC countries also signed to it, and we're very happy to see that there are also policies, institutional capacity programs happening when it comes to people and children with disability.
Delegates from many countries, including GCC, have ample opportunities to learn of new and exciting developments, where they will have an opportunity to meet and discuss with leading experts from across the Arab world and other countries. The conference included an exhibition for the efforts and achievements of the Ministries of Health in the GCC, along with the efforts of the Minister of Social Development and Ministry of Education in the Sultanate of Oman. Abdullah bin Ahmed al-Rubaiey, Sultanate of Oman Television, Muscat.